Hello everybody, xanavi.net. Today we got Nissan Rogue, second generation facelift. The car was imported from the United States of America, so it's equipped with a Bosch information system. As it's facelift, Bosch, it doesn't have the SD card. So there are only 3 languages: English, French, Spanish. The radio range for the United States. The step of the radio frequency is 0.2. So today we will do the conversion of it for using in Europe with the European language spec with the radio bands change. The cluster, it has 3 languages too. Let's see the final result. Well, the work is done. Now we can see 19 languages. German. It works. All the menus. The radio frequencies step is European. All the stations are available. Camera settings. Now the system is the same if Nissan Rogue was officially selling in Germany. And we have also changed the cluster display. All the menus. Also available a few languages. So everything will work without any problems. If you own an imported Nissan or Infiniti from the United States, United Arab Emirates, and so on, please get in touch with us. We will be happy to provide our services. And this service we can do remote. We also are looking for new partners in different countries, so please get in touch with us. Our details you can find in the description. Stay safe and bye bye.